This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Rodano. This beautiful in-amp, quiet 55-plus neighborhood has a lot to offer. Come enjoy this extra-wide model, split floor plan, double carport Florida dream. This home sits on 0.2 acres towards the back of the community for less traffic, less noise. Cathedral ceilings opens the house to make it feel grand. Extra counter space in the kitchen and master bath make it more user-friendly. Well-maintained makes it move-in ready. 2 exterior porch areas, one as you enter which is open air, the second is a substantially sized enclosed screened porch off the kitchen glass sliders. There is a convenient storage shed at the front carport area, with an interior laundry room located at the extended kitchen seating area. Please come see it to fall for it. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Rodano at 321-308-0378.